Shut up and sit down.
You will get 4 examples of complaint letters asking for book replacement. Sample 1. Write a letter to a bookseller complaining against the wrong supply of books. Complaint letter for delivery of wrong books. From name, address, date. 2. The shop manager, name of the bookshop, address. Subject, complaint against incorrect supply of books. Dear Sir or Madam, I am, name, living in, address. I want to bring in your notice that I had ordered for, name of the books on date. I visited your shop and you said that delivery would be made at address. But to my dismay, the books which came at the address were not the books I ordered. The books were damaged, torn, wrong books or others. Okay. I have paid you in cash, check, DD, online on the same day, and I would be attaching with this letter a copy of the bill you provided me. Please get the correct books delivered at the earliest and let me know how to exchange the books which I already have. I will be leaving my contact number for any other questions. You may contact me there. Yours faithfully, name, contact number, enclosed bill copy. Sample 2. You are Arman or Arpita of 14th MG Road, Pune. You had brought the textbook Vistas for class 12 from a neighborhood bookstore. After browsing through the book, you realized that a few pages were missing and the print overlapped on a few pages. Write a complaint letter in 125 to 150 words to the manager, Dawn Books, Lawrence Road, Chennai, requesting him for a replacement or refund. From 14 MG Road, Pune, 20th April, year. To the manager, Dawn Books, Lawrence Road, Chennai. Subject, complaint against a defective book. Dear Sir or Madam, through this letter of mine, I wish to draw your attention towards a book which I had bought from a neighborhood bookstore. The book Vistas for class 12 has few pages missing. I realized this when I reached home and browsed it. There is some misprinting also, as a few pages have overlapping print. When I went back to return the book, the shopkeeper refused to do so. So I decided to write a complaint letter to you. Hope you will understand the problem which I will face the whole year while studying this book. Kindly replace this book, or if it is not possible, then arrange the refund. I shall be highly obliged by this kind act of yours. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Arman. Sample 3. You had bought the book Advanced English Grammar from a neighborhood bookstore. After browsing through the book, you realized that pages were missing. Writing a complaint letter in about 100 words to the manager of the bookstore requesting him for a replacement or refund. To the manager, Alipapa Bookstore, Shop 106, Nalanda Shopping Center, Mumbai 400062. Subject, missing pages of Advanced English Grammar. Reference, cash memo number 5642, dated 6/12/2020. Dear Sir or Madam, with above mentioned reference, I wish to bring the White Supra subject into your kind consideration. On the last 6th December, I bought a copy of Advanced English Grammar of class 11 by S. Arora, the issue of its latest edition. I did not notice any fault in the time of purchase, but on returning home, I started browsing through its pages. I passed on page number 72, For what was expected to be several next pages, it showed 89. I roughly searched the end of the book, but alas, I did not find those 7 pages. I at once realized what sort of mistakes has been caused due to the binding of performa. I therefore request you to instruct your employees to the shop to have the book returned and issue another copy of the same edition against the cash memo produced. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Ajay Malhotra. Sample 4. Write a letter to the bookseller complaining that the books sent by him were not those that you ordered. 332 Sultan Nagar, Ropar, 12 May, year. 2. Messrs. Sarla Book Depot, Naik Sarak, Delhi. Subject: Wrong book sent by bookseller. Dear Sir or Madam, reference my order number 10, dated 4 October, year, requesting your firm to send me a set of books. It is a very sad affair on your part that the packing department has sent me the wrong books, which are quite useless for me. Hence, I am returning the books along with the photocopy of my original order. You are requested to send the books ordered correctly at your earliest and ask your employees to work carefully. The VPP charges would be borne by your firm. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Navneet.